Hi, let's upgrade your planning applications with compelling visuals that get approvals faster. If you're a developer, architect, or a planner, we help you communicate better and avoid delays. Keep watching to learn how. Meet Andy, the architect. He mostly relies on 2D technical drawings, sometimes supported by fairly basic renders or photo montages. Andy has seen firsthand how 2D drawings can be misinterpreted by planning officers, stakeholders, or the public, increasing the risk of delays and rejections. It's time to upgrade the standard of visual communication in your planning applications. The technology is here, making it easier for planning authorities to assess proposals, make faster decisions, and fully appreciate your vision. In practice, we'll start by reviewing Andy's current design materials, transforming his 2D drawings into interactive 3D models. Using reality capture techniques, we recreate existing environments in 3D and then seamlessly merge them with his proposed designs. Finally, we work closely with Andy to develop clear, compelling visuals that effectively communicate his project, reducing misunderstandings and speeding up approvals. Now for an example, Andy's 2D designs are top-notch, and we help them shine using intuitive 3D tech. Context is key, so we gave Andy the superpower of having all of the important info at his fingertips. When we merged Andy's design with the existing environment, the planners could see that his plans were very carefully thought out. So, to summarise, Stainless Reality have transformed Andy's planning application with clear, compelling 3D visuals, reducing misinterpretation, improving communication, and speeding up approvals. So, if you'd like to find out more, be like Andy. Give us a call or a message. We'd love to learn more about you.